2002 से मैं इस पार्लियामेंट का हिस्सा हूँ, मगर अफसोस से ये कहना पड़ता है मेरे पास तो अल्फाज ही नहीं है। मेरे पास अल्फाज नहीं है कि इसको किस तरह कंडेम करूं या मैं इसके बारे में क्या करूं। कभी माइक के ऊपर इस तरह के अल्फाज नहीं इस्तेमाल हुए। सो मैं ज़्यादा लंबी बात करने के बजाय मैं मोशन मूव कर रहा हूं, तो आप लोग सुन लीजिए मोशन। सस्पेंशन ऑफ मेंबर्स ड्यूरिंग द सिटिंग ऑफ द नेशनल असेंबली हेल्ड ऑन 22 June 2024, Sanaullah Mastikhel MNA in his budget speech expressed highly objectionable and indecent remarks, thereby eroding and lowering the sanctity of the House in violation of Rule 30 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the National Assembly 2007, disregarding the authority of the chair and abusing the rules by willfully disrupting and obstructing the proceedings. I therefore name him in terms of Rule 21 of Rules of Procedure in the Conduct of Business in the National Assembly 2007. Now I have put the question to the House that Sanaullah Mastikhel MNA be suspended from service of the Assembly for the remainder of the session. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think ayes have it. Consequently, the motion is adopted. The members shall now forthwith withdraw from the precinct of the National Assembly under Rule 21 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the National Assembly. The House is adjourned to meet again